Guys, it's a Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be doing a review over the Sifely Lock. So let me break down some characteristics for you guys and tell you a little bit about this lock. So let's go ahead and dig in. First things first, with this lock, I've seen it as low as $50. I've seen it as high as $129. So pretty well priced lock. What makes the Sifely Lock special though is there's actually 5 ways to open up the lock. So the first is they have the RF cards right here that you can scan and use to unlock the door. They have a fingerprint. That's going to be the second. The third is going to be a code. Fourth is going to be right here on the handle. Let me get it open for you so you guys can see. There's a key there, so you can always use a key and have that manual entrance there. And then the fifth way is actually going to be through the app. So when you sync it up, you'll actually be able to do it through the app. So that makes it pretty special. That's probably the most I've ever seen from any lock, is 5 different ways to open it up. So it is very much lockout proof with those 5 ways of opening it. It comes as a Bluetooth lock originally, but if you do want to buy a gateway, you can make it Wi-Fi. So that is the options there for it. But the last thing that I'll just talk to you guys about is the setup of the lock. The setup is very easy. I wouldn't say it's as easy as a quick set lock, but I would say it's easier than a Yell or Schlage, so I put it behind there. The one lock that it does compete a lot with is going to be the Teeho lock. The Teeho lock is by far the cheapest and least expensive lock and does work well. The difference that I would say this one is going to get you is those 5 ways to open it up. The Teeho is much simpler than that. There's going to be only 1 or 2 ways typically to open up that lock. So that's going to be the differences there. If you want the more ways, you'd want to go with the Sifely. But if you're looking for price as well as quality, then you'll probably want to go with the Teeho. So there you guys go. That's my review of the Sifely Lock. If you guys have any questions or need help, let me know. And thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.